What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be looking at making our own spray paint art. Alright, so first things first, we need to look at our materials and our tools. Alright, so we've got gloss. Gloss is very important, okay? At least with this. Okay, so we got gloss white, we got gloss black, and we got some clear. I'll get into what the clear is about later. Alright, so we got those. Those are some of our tools. Alright, we got some knives, a little stick, so that we can sign. Alright, we got some rocks for weighting down our stencils for our planets and whatnot. Alright, get those out of the way, huh? We got some tape, and that is so we can put our poster board down onto it and it won't move around on us. We've got some crumpled up newspaper. Alright, and then we've got some glossy newspaper, magazine sheet. So we're going to use those to get our textures later on for our planet. So, alright, let's put some tape down so that we can keep our poster board from slipping all around on it. Don't worry, I'll fast forward through all this superfluous noise. You ain't got to watch it. Alright, let's get our tape out the way. Alright, we've got a poster board here. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but there's a glossy side and then not so glossy side on this one. It's not super high gloss, but it will work for us for now. So I'm going to put that down. Alright. Something very important. Shake your hands. Shake the crap out of them. You want to make sure all that paint gets off the bottom. I've already shook them up, so you don't got to worry too much about that. But you want to keep shaking it while you're painting. Alright. I'm going to put these paints a little bit further off. One thing I always do is always kind of spray off the side to make sure it's working. I'm going to get that on camera. Alright. I don't have a mask on, you should have a mask on. I've got a fan over here, you can probably hear it. But I've got a fan on over here that's, catching it over this way and then it's getting caught by the wind on that side of the porch, so I'm good for now. At least for this tutorial video. Alright. So we make sure we got some black spraying out. We're going to say we want to plant it here, and, well, say for the sake of this one, we want to plant it there. Alright? We're going to take our black, we're just going to kind of lightly indicate where those planets are. Alright, take our stencils off, throw them all the way over there, get them out of your way. Alright, we're just going to do black and white. So, our first one, this one up here in the top, the bigger one, I think we're going to do it with this, with the glossy newspaper. Alright, so we're going to just basically put down a nice layer of black here. Don't try and fill it up too much, but I'm going to put enough black in there to get all inside of that stuff. Alright, I'm going to take some white. Alright, now you can do this multiple ways. I'm just going to take some newspaper here. Now what you want to do is you want to kind of like, you want the paint to drip, okay? So you want to just kind of spray onto something. And just kind of let some of that paint drip off of it. Get that on camera. I just want to let that drip onto it like that. Alright, not need that, get that out of the way. Alright, now we're going to take this glossy newspaper. We're not going to crumple it up. And I want some pizza, maybe some of the Cinnabon rolls. Alright, so we're going to take that, and we're just going to set it down. Well, first we're going to take some of this. We're just going to take white, and we're just going to kind of spray it over the top. Don't worry, we didn't mess it up. Now we're going to take our glossy paper, and we're just going to set it on top of it. We're just going to kind of do like that. And that didn't quite work out real well. But that's all good. That's the beauty of spray paint. You can go back and try again. Alright, well, kind of looks like craters. Smeared craters, but it'll look better when we're done. Alright, so we want to let that dry. Okay? We definitely want to let that dry before we put our stencil onto it. Okay, so we're going to hold off on that. Now for this one, I think I'm going to do just the opposite. I'm going to do some, well, not just the opposite, but I'm going to put white down first. Give ourselves a white base there. And I'm going to take black. I'm just going to kind of cover over it a little. Yeah, I didn't get it shook up real well, but oh well. Okay. And we're going to take our newspaper. And we're going to crumple it up real nice. Okay. And we're just going to set it down on top. And we're just going to kind of pat it down, maybe give it a little bit of that with your fingernails and just rub across it. And just pull it off. Whoa. Get out of here, Junebug. You smell that money? Go on, get. Alright. Boom. So we're going to do something now. We're going to let it wait. We're going to let it dry. Not let it wait. I'm going to wait. It's going to dry. Alright, so we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so it's been about 15, 20 minutes, maybe a half hour or so. Got bugs all over it now. Cover that up. Alright, so the reason we let it dry is so we can put our stencils on and we don't have to worry about the paint sticking to this area and peeling up and ruining the painting, ruining the planet. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take and drop our stencils down on there. Make sure it looks like it's in a good spot. Take this one, do the same thing. Alright, that looks good. And take some rocks. And you just want to weight it down a little so you're not moving it around with the spray paint. Alright, boom, we're done. Alright, thanks for, no, I'm just playing. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to take some black. And we're going to just fill everything in pretty much. Alright, so shake it up, get it nice and shook up. Alright, and just fill everything in. Don't spray too much around the edges here. You want to make sure you cover it in black. But you don't want to get too much stuck around it, because that'll peel up as well. So just make sure you get it sprayed, and then you want to fill everywhere else up. And make sure it gets all nice and glossy too. Alright, we've got black all over everything. Cool. Now what do we want to do? I don't know. What do we want to do? You have any idea? We'll just keep it simple. I was going to do like some clouds and, galaxy clouds and whatnot swirling around, but I think we're just going to keep it simple. And we're going to take trusty palette knife here, and we're going to take our white spray paint, and you're probably not going to be able to see it, but I'm going to spray onto the palette knife and just get a little bit of paint thick up on it, and then want to kind of just shake a little off, and then we'll want to shake some stars onto it. Alright, do a little bit more. Shake off the excess so you're not getting real big stars dropping onto it. You just kind of want to get some smaller stars. Alright, a little bit more here. Some right around there. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to do, not the kind of clouds I was talking about, but I'm going to do just a little bit of like light mystic. So I'm going to hold the can rather high away and just kind of do another one over that way. That one was probably too much, but oh well. It's a happy accident. Okay. We like our happy accidents. Alright, so last thing we want to do is we want to come up here and we want to take our stencils off. Oh, look at that planet! Check this one out though. Oh, yeah, it's gonna stick with it. Boom! I messed it up some. Right now, I don't know if you can see it, but oh well. We'll try and cover up a little bit of that this here clear coat. Alright, see, this will happen when you spray paint outside in the dark with lights. You have these little bugs climbing onto it, but with any luck, you can get them to grab onto your stick and climb out of there. Be free, little guy. Be free. Oh, get up on stick. There we go. Alright, we're going to take some clear coat. Clear. We're going to take some clear coat. We're just going to cover the whole thing. Alright. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there is a slight texture difference. It's real glossy in the sky, the black, but the planets are not quite as glossy. So we want to take some clear, and we want to just kind of cover everything up. Not real, thick, but we want to get a nice seal on everything. So we got another bug here. Go ahead and get him off real quick too. He's already gone. So, alright, now we got a little spot there. Oh well. Adds character. Alright, we put some clear on it. Now, while it's still wet, what the clear coat does is it allows us to come in here and scrape away some of that paint and put signature on there. Alright, so that looks about done. Now the only thing left to do is just let it dry, let it completely dry, and then we'll get a good look at it up close afterwards. See you there. Hey, thanks for checking out my video. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright.